Leetcode weekly context 488. Question number 2. Merge adjacent equal elements. This is a medium problem. We want to do some operations on this given array. Say if we start from with a empty stack, then for first element 3, we just push it into the stack. Then the next one, because 1 is not equal to 3, we push this 1 into the stack as well. The next one, since 1 is equal to the top elements in this array, so we pop it out and push the updated number into the, or let's separate it. So next step, we push it in. Then we pop it out for number 2 and push number 4 in. This is the final result. And by following this process, we can solve this problem.